Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva AI to create a logo. Canva's artificial intelligence tools make designing a unique brand mark incredibly straightforward. You can transform your ideas into a professional logo in a matter of minutes, even if you have no prior design experience. This process empowers you to quickly visualize and refine your brand's identity with ease and precision. To start, simply type a few descriptive words into the AI prompt box, outlining your brand's essence and preferred aesthetic. For example, you might type modern coffee shop logo with a minimalist leaf. The AI will then present you with several unique logo concepts, offering a diverse array of styles and layouts. You'll typically see at least 3 to 5 distinct options to choose from. Once you've chosen a concept that resonates with your vision, it's time to make it truly yours. Canva's intuitive editor allows you to easily change colors, experiment with hundreds of fonts, and modify graphic elements. You can adjust sizes, rotate objects, and even add new shapes or icons. This step ensures your logo perfectly reflects your brand's unique personality and message. After refining your logo to perfection, it's time to finalize and export your creation. You can save your design in several high-quality formats, such as PNG for web use or SVG for scalable vector graphics. Downloading with a transparent background is ideal for placing your logo on various materials. Your brand new, custom-designed logo is now ready to elevate your business across all platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.